because we want you to have your why, your purpose. Ang dami nyo nang umiiyak ko. Ang dami nyong pinagdadaanan. But I hope you understand that you have a reason why you are alive right now. I hope at the end of this activity, you find your why. Bakit ka pa nabubuhay? And make it your purpose. Dati ang purpose ni Ate Imari magpakamatay. Every minor inconvenience, suicide ang first thing on the top of my mind. Now, my purpose is to normalize mental health conversations. We do this. Pag tinanong ko kayo, kumusta kayo, ano sagot nyo? Okay lang, sakto lang, carry lang. What I want in the future, when I ask you, kumusta kayo, kaya nyo nang sabihin anong tunay nyong nararamdaman. But most importantly, what I want is if you ask the person next to you, kumusta ka, hindi na sila matatakot, mahihiya, mangangambang sabihin sa'yo kung anong tunay nilang nararamdaman. Kasi alam nila na ligtas kang espasyo. Hindi mo na sila pagtatawanan, kukutsain. You are now a kinder and better person. Process natin, we do this almost every single day. Minsan meron sa lima sa isang araw, tatlo sa isang araw. Hindi ko kaya yon. I cannot do that. Pero kayo kaya nyo. Reach out to someone who needs help. Product natin, we've reached millions of people already, but we can reach more. We can still be kinder to other people. Lagi niyong tatandaan, baka sabihin niyo kasi feeling niyo hindi. But all of you here, your life has plans, your life has future. Lahat ng storya niyo, lahat ng kwento niyo may kwenta. Kahit na yung feeling niyo, yung mga kwento niyo wala ng pag-asa. Your test can become your testimony, your mess can become your message, your pain can become your purpose. From being a victim, you can also become a victor. It's hard to stand in front of you if I didn't go through all of that. But you have to understand, sabi nga ni Kuya Mako kanina, your greatest hugot is your biggest advocacy. Your greatest calling can sometimes be born from your greatest struggle. Use it. Use it to become better people, to be kinder,